Hello and welcome to Maintenance Mondays. Today's subject is bow hair and humidity changes. Once in a while I'll get a call from a client asking about their hair being too tight or too loose. Here is the explanation for that. The humidity here at 45%. Here you can see how the hair lays on this stick from the frog all the way to the head of the bow. This is what you can expect from a freshly rehaired bow. On the other hand, here is the same bow after 2 hours of exposure to 20% higher humidity than before, after the first exposure. As you can see, 66% humidity can really make a difference in how the hair lays on the stick. Be especially watchful on humidity levels that are lower than 40%. Under those conditions, the hair may seem really tight on the bow. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week. Please don't forget to give it a like and share.